This is a 2010 Toyota Prius. Customer complained when cruise between 40 and 50, it's a vibration and shaking. And customer had replaced new spark plug and the same problem. And here, this is what we found. Now, we got an intake out and got oil in the intake manifold, and the carbon build up where the EGR valve is. This is the EGR valve pipe. See that? Right, we use this can here. It's a Raleigh Foreman engine decrease. It worked pretty good. Okay, test drive just got back. After repair, I call it running great. The vibration went away, the shaking went away, and that's it.